everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm here to give you another manifesting technique to change your life in all different ways. Now, today we're going to discuss the number 666, and you're probably saying, oh my God, Yvette, isn't that the number of the devil? Isn't that the devil number? Listen, today we're going to speak about angel number 666 and what it means for you and what you can do with this number to basically manifest anything that you want. Now listen, this is powerful. It is something that absolutely works. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you always thought of 666 as being a bad number, you're in for a surprise. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is the manifesting law of attraction metaphysical channel that basically gives you information that you can easily understand, put it into action, and actually get results. So listen, sign up by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Join the family, and you will not regret it. So now, if you want to know about 666, angel number, keep watching. 666 is a number that a lot of people discuss and associate with negativity, the same as the number 13. People just have some superstition about 666, not realizing that it is an angel number. And on top of that, it is one of the numbers that Nikola Tesla speaks about that is one of the master numbers. That is one of the numbers that is in creation with this whole universe. Now listen. When we talk about our lives, what is it? We have 360 degrees. We also have 365 days. 6 is everywhere, everyone. So how can it be just such a negative number that everybody keeps talking about? What is it when you see 666? I see people saying, oh, Yvette, I was driving and I see 666 on the license plate. Does that mean something bad going to happen to me? Oh my God, Yvette. And I say, no, only if you take it that way. Remember, everybody, you have free will to live your life. That is our God's blessing. That is the universe blessing us, saying you have free will to live the life you want to live. So now, when you see 666, and if you're thinking this is a bad number, a negative number, you are absolutely attracting this into your life because of your belief, okay? Nothing to do with that 666. Now, what is it about 666? According to the angel numbers, 666 is a materialistic number. It is one of the numbers that totally means material. It means material. 7s mean good luck, on the right path. 8 means abundance in many different ways. 6 means material possession, people. You got to understand this. Let's put this together. So when you see 666 and it's popping up all over the place on your receipt, $6.66, or it's popping up on somebody's license plate, whenever you see these things, I want you to look at it totally different. Now, what is it that I would do if I seen 666? I would take it as the universe is blessing me with something. Because 6 means materials and it's 666 is 3 times the amount of the 6. And if you add the 666 up, it equals 18, which is keep moving forward. Basically, you are about to come into abundance. Remember, 8 means abundance. So keep moving forward. You're about to come into some abundance. And then you add it up, it equals 9. And 9 is life purpose. So I would say, what is it the universe have in store for me? And at this point, I would then visualize whatever it is that I want. And I would say, thank you, universe. If not visualize, I would state what it is that I want as if it is already done. Like, universe, thank you for blessing me with a successful business. I am open and receptive to it. I'm thanking you. And I see you giving me a sign that it is about to be here at this moment. Just that simple. Okay? So when you see 666, know it is a material number and know it adds up to abundance. Now, what else can you do when you start seeing this number? I, myself, will use that number and place it on whatever it is that I'm trying to manifest. Now, let's just say you wanted to manifest a house and you have a picture of that house. you can put on that picture 666, which represents abundance coming to you. You can place on there 777 or 888. But for this video right here, we are speaking about 666. You are very welcome to place 666 on a picture, on your scripting, on whatever else you are using to bring in that energy of the sixes. Now, you'll probably say, well, Yvette, I don't know if I can do that because I'm superstitious. If you are superstitious, you guys, please don't write me and say that I can't do that because it's the number of the beast. Don't use it. Use another number. Whatever it is you feel comfortable using, that's what you use. But here, I'm getting a lot of people that are writing me and they're saying, Yvette, I'm seeing 666. Every time I turn around, I'm seeing 666. What does it mean? Is this the number of the beast? Is something going to happen to me bad? And I said, listen, it's only if you believe it to be so. Now, you can use this number if you want to put 666 on something you're trying to manifest, or you can put 666 or 6666 in the corners of your scripting, whatever it is you want to do. But I want you guys to get in your head that 666 is not a number of the devil, only if you believe it to be so. Okay? It's a number of materialistic things. And people might say, well, Yvette, that's something that they do. The bad people are always trying to accumulate something big. They're always trying to accumulate a lot of possessions. Hey, look, whatever you believe, you believe. But the number itself means material things that are on an earthly plane. Now, some people might focus too much on material things. And it could be a sign saying, hey, look, you are focusing too much on materialistic stuff. Time for you to refocus, recalculate, and enjoy life. Whatever it is based on material things. And if you're focusing too much on this, then maybe you need to step back a little bit. If you're not focusing too much on materialistic stuff, it's probably telling you, hey, look, you need to want more in life. You need to want a better home, a better car, or whatever. But whatever it is, that 666 represents you getting out there, accumulating or refocusing on what it is that you're doing. So if you guys are trying to manifest a new car, a new house, or whatever it is, you are absolutely welcome to flip it on the back of the picture and write 666. Now, let me give you guys a small tip on what I would do when I see that 666 again. If I seen 666, I would visualize myself being, doing, and having whatever it is that I want. I might even say a simple affirmation about what it is that I want. Like, thank you, God, for blessing me with my new career. I am very successful. And I would leave it alone. Then I would imagine 666 at the same time that I'm visualizing. Okay? You want that house. Picture that house. Put 666 on it. If you are seeing these numbers, visualize what it is that you want and place 666 right there. Okay? And this is what I would do. Not only with scripting, with the visualization, with the affirmations, whatever it is, if you keep seeing this number, use the number to manifest whatever it is that you want. So again, you guys, if you guys are scared about the number 666, we just discussed it to the fullest to help you manifest whatever it is you want in your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more videos like this. This is a manifesting channel that gives you information to change your life. If you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, please look in the description. If you want to buy crystal, candles, sage, whatever it is that you want, please look in the description. Everything is there. Again, watch the next video. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.